Alright guys, hello and welcome to another Sights and Sounds video here in Costa Rica. Today we're in Guanacaste. We're at Las Catalinas. This is a village, foot traffic only, so that's what this place is known for. It's Italian and foot traffic only. So we're just walking in from the main parking area here. This is the path that you'll come down when you first get here. So again, if this is your first time joining us here in Sights and Sounds, be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Check out sightsandsounds.co for more video content here in Costa Rica and elsewhere. Wherever we go, we'll do some videos. So where's Las Catalinas? Well, it's near the Liberia airport. So if you're familiar with flying into Liberia, you would head to Potrero. And then from Potrero, instead of turning left to go to Playa Flamingo, you'd turn right and drive about 10 minutes up a road that's extremely bumpy and potholed. But then you arrive here, so we'll show you this place. So here's just a little garden to begin with. Oh, it's so nice. Little flowers, etc. if you're into flowers and stuff. Looks like there's paths back there. So there you go. Doing some watering back there. Cool. So now Las Catalinas is a location that they don't allow parking, or they don't allow driving. So you basically have to park and walk through, and it doesn't seem to be particularly big in terms of like how far you have to walk to get around to places. I just did a quick walkthrough once already. So when you come in here, this is the main court, is what I'd say. So there's gelato here, right? And you've got a bunch of shops along the front. What I can only presume are more living arrangements up on the top. And this is the main court. So as you go up from the main court, there's going to be living arrangements everywhere. Oh, amigo. So this store sells like nice clothing and stuff. You've got a little splash pad for the kids. Don't try to wash your sandy feet off here. I made that mistake. Got a bit of a speaking to about it. But we'll walk up here, I'll just show you so you can see how cool the architecture is and the paint and everything. It's a pretty cool place to hang out, right? So if you're looking for short-term accommodations, that's the one thing to consider though. You're gonna probably spend more time here than not, because the road out of here is kind of, it's far to get to Potrero and it's kind of chunky. So it's really nice though. I mean, I wouldn't mind, hey, I would spend a week here, no problem, right? It's probably very relaxing. So all these cool buildings you can stay in, very nicely maintained. And the cool thing that I saw coming in is there's tons of construction going on. So it seems as though they're doing some expansion and all that. Maybe adding more quarters or renovating, whatnot. So back out. So if you show up here, there's an Italian restaurant right over here, and a Spanish restaurant on this side, and an Italian restaurant down this way. But it's mostly just living quarters. Now I'm not going to do this, but apparently if you walk up this way, there's a supermarket. If you're here for a bit longer term or you want to grab some water, head up that way, there's a supermarket. And then here you got bike rentals. So this is pretty cool, right? This is like a big electric bike. Pivot. Looks like it has a battery on it. So I'm sure you can take these bikes on those trails that we saw earlier out by the flower garden, or perhaps even ride these to Potrero. It would be a good ride out to Potrero. So that's cool. Looks like there's another restaurant up here. This must be the Italian one. then the cool thing about this location is that the beach is extremely close. So you're basically on the beach, and look at how busy it is. Now it might be more busy this weekend because I'm here in Costa Rica. Mother's Day is tomorrow, so it's actually a long weekend. So there's a lot of people out and about. Cool. You got a rope swing. It's pretty cool for the kids. And I see surfboards here. Or these are paddle boards. So these are paddle boards, so that's cool. We'll go look how the water is after. Some little canoes and kayaks. More rope swings for the kids. And this seems to be just a big field, pitch, I don't know. Play soccer here maybe. So here's a cool thing. Core by Check Fitness. So I've seen this on social media before. This is my first time seeing it in person. So there it is. If you're looking to come here and check out this outdoor gym made of mostly wood. All the plates are made of wood, right? But they have, looks like the barbells are actual barbells, so that's probably a good idea. Actual barbells, but then yeah, all the plates are just made out of wood, so that's pretty cool. It's unique. Check it out. And then that's just the other side where we just were with the restaurants. Cool, cool. Let's go check out the beach though. See how that looks. It's very tranquilo here. You can look at how many people there are. Now when we came here to park, it was 10,000 Colon to park, which is about $15 US. So, you know, you're gonna get what you pay for. All right, very nice. So look at the water. There's a dock out there. There's a floating dock. So that's cool. And my understanding is you can go fishing out in this water. There's snorkeling right off the coast. And I can see even just through the trees, there's amazing snorkeling locations just flanking this beach. And then apparently if you go to this island and go scuba diving, you can see small sharks, like, you know, little 3-foot sharks. So that's cool. There's somebody actually in the water right now snorkeling. So you can see he's, I don't know, 50 meters out there. But tons of people here. That's really cool today. Well, let's go walk down the path. We'll see what else we can see, and we'll check out the beach down on the other end. They've done a really good job here with the gravel on the path area. It's nice because sometimes you come to these beaches and a lot of the paths and stuff have thorns and all that kind of stuff on it. Okay, so there's another restaurant here. So it seems that there's a few restaurants that are under construction. So again, we're here in mid-2020. So perhaps when you come down, there'll be more restaurants open. Let's check out this water though. All right, so this beach has black sand. That's cool. And there you go. So it's pretty high tide right now, I'd say. I mean, I've not been to this beach, so I don't know exactly how it would look, but tide's looking pretty high. You can see that. Those are fun waves. Those are good waves for bodyboarding. Cool. All right. So the water's nice and clear. That's good stuff. So leave a comment below with any questions you have, or if you know anything about Las Catalinas you want to share with the viewers there and Sights and Sounds. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube and check out sightsandsounds.co. Check out the links below for things that I find useful when you're visiting here in Costa Rica. Thanks for watching. Bye now.